what happens and what you can expect when you go to court. If you are charged with a criminal offence, you may have to go to court. If you're under 18 years old, your case will usually start in a youth court. Unless you've been charged with an adult, then you and your adult co-defendant will go to an adult magistrate's court. Very serious cases may be sent to the Crown Court, even if you are under 18. There are security checks at a youth court. You will be searched for any items that are considered dangerous or that could be used as a weapon. Best not to bring items like these with you. Security may only let you and your parents or your supporting adult into the court building. They may stop other people from entering. It is best not to bring friends along with you unless they're your witnesses. If you are under 16 years old, you must come to court with your parents or guardian. Even if you are older, it helps to bring a supporting adult with you. If you can't find where to go, you can ask security. When you arrive in a waiting area, there is usually an usher. This is the person with a clipboard. You should sign in with them. You should turn up to court early to have time to talk to your lawyer. It's a good idea to have your lawyer's phone number with you, just in case you can't find them in court. If you don't have a lawyer, ask to speak to the duty solicitor. Your lawyer will want to ask you some questions. For example, if it's the first time the case is in court, you will usually be asked to enter a plea. This means you say whether you are guilty or not guilty of the offence that you are charged with. You should discuss this with your lawyer so you know what plea to give to the court. It's important to tell your lawyer why you got arrested or any other information about yourself. There is often some waiting around, so bring something to do. Your name will be called when you need to go into court. Sometimes if you are kept at the police station, the police will bring you to court. The police will take you to the cells. You will be looked after by security guards. You should see your lawyer and someone from the youth offending team. A security guard will take you into the courtroom. Before you go into court, remember to turn off your phone, take off your hat or your hoodie. In court, there will be one judge or 3 magistrates, a court clerk or legal advisor to assist the magistrates, a prosecutor from the Crown Prosecution Service. They will explain the police version of events to the court. You should usually sit next to your supporting adult and your lawyer. If you come from the cells, you may sit in a secure dock. This is a kind of glass box. Members of the public are not allowed in the youth court. There may be court staff and the youth offending team. If there is anything that you don't understand, always ask your lawyer. Courts are complicated. Even adults find it difficult to follow what is happening. Don't be afraid to ask. It is important you understand what is going on. If you plead not guilty, the judges will tell you the date to come back for the trial. To prepare for the trial, your lawyers will go through the statements made by witnesses and ask for your version of events and more information about yourself. At your trial, witnesses will attend court and they will be asked questions. Some statements made by witnesses may be read out. You may give evidence. If you do give evidence, the prosecutor will cross-examine you. This often means they disagree with what you are saying and may say you are lying. The judge or magistrates will listen to everything and will decide if they think you are guilty or not. If they find you guilty and you think they are wrong, you are allowed to appeal. Speak with your lawyer about how to do this. If you plead guilty, the court may sentence you straight away, or you may need to come back on a different day so the youth offending team can meet you and write a report. There are special sentences for children. Many are in the community not being sent away to prison. But the youth court is allowed to send children to prison for up to 2 years. This is called a detention and training order. Prison should only be used as a last resort. At sentencing, your lawyer will tell the court some more information about you. It is important to let your lawyer know what is going on in your life. This may help you get support and a lower sentence and keep you out of prison. The youth offending team may also have written a report about you. The judge or magistrates may want to speak to you. You should be ready to answer their questions. Your lawyer will help you prepare. Remember, discuss your case with your lawyers before you go into court and tell your lawyer as much background information as possible. It will help. Try to stay calm in court and be ready to answer questions. and speak to your lawyer if you don't understand what is happening. Listen, think carefully and take advice before making decisions. Remember, this is your case. Give yourself the best chance.